This is a really cool thermal printer that can print stickers, amongst other things. Welcome to the review. Today we are doing a review of this adorably cute pink thermal printer. This thing is awesome. This was sent to us in return for our honest review. Let me show you real quick one of the cool things that it can do. Check this out. And it's so fast! It printed! Look, I took a picture of Memphis and I put it in the app, which I'll show you guys how to do that in just a second. And now it printed, and this is actually a sticker. Now I could trim the top and the bottom if I wanted to make it exactly the size it needed to be, or you can make it have this really cool white border and you can sticker this anywhere you want. This is cool, but there's a ton more options for this thing. So this is the app that it comes with, and there is so many options in this app. You can click on image, take an image that you've taken, and you can print it as I did with the Memphis one. You can make a Sudoku game. You can change how you want it, because you can write on this paper as well. You can take a bunch of different photos and make a puzzle out of them. So as you can see, there's a ton of different options in here. If you click material down here at the bottom, there is just a whole bunch of different options in here that you can print and you can color in, which I am going to go ahead and let's print this one. Oh, this is really cute. So I can go in, I can edit it, change the size of things, stuff like that. Again, like I said, so many options in here of everything that you can do. And then we can hit print and it's going to print, and I will show that to you. Oh, and then there's options in here, your different print modes. Up here, all these little options. How many copies do you want? The density. I hit print and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. There it is, all printed. And I do this one-handed, kind of pull it off of there. It does have really nice teeth here. So there it is. Now you could actually go through and you could color this in. And then again, this is sticker paper. So then you could sticker it wherever you want. You can make custom little stickers with this, print the little photos. What do you think of this, Eleanor? Is this really cool? Should I do a photo of you? Let me print one of you. Okay, I'll print one of you. Okay, all right, I will. I'll print one of you. All right, here it comes. It's printing a photo of Eleanor, which is now a sticker. This is really, really cool. This has so many options. This would be so much, it's so much fun for kids like these and having them color them in. I'm definitely going to play with this with my niece and nephew. Oh, and I also want to know, it does come with 3 rolls of the paper. It just opens up here and it's easy to load. Let me show you what the paper looks like. So this is what the rolls look like. They only fit one way into the machine, which is nice. Makes it easy to load so you're always printing on the right side, but it comes with 3 total. Of course, I installed one already. It is also USB-C rechargeable, works off of Bluetooth. That's how it's connecting to my phone, and I'm telling it to print things. This is awesome. If you guys are looking for a fun little sticker printer, this is great. Actually, this could come in really handy at a restaurant as well. You could print the things and stick them on your little packages. Pretty fun. If you guys are looking for a fun thermal printer that can print stickers, we recommend this.